Hi friends, this is Vishnu for Query Resolvers. This is the second part of ZigBee configuring. So I would recommend you to watch the first part for a clear understanding. Now let's configure one device as coordinator. That is what I have done already. Now this is my coordinator with the PAN ID of 10. Now what I have to do is, next thing is configure another device as router. I have already configured another one. I have already interface another one device with my computer which is in the COM port 6. So let me test it again. Yeah, I am getting. So now I am going for modem configuration and reading the present configuration. Yeah, see here, now it's in ZigBee router API mode. What I need is ZigBee router in AT mode. So I have selected it and I have selected the firmware version, and now I am going to write it. So once you write it, here you will be getting the status, and here you can see this is the module to which the firmware is being uploaded. Here in the corner here you can find the LEDs blinking, which means that your ZigBee is being configured and your firmware is being getting updated. Once the update is complete, the LEDs are now off. The next thing is the device will restart once and you are ready for programming. That's it. And now I will open. See here, I have configured my ZigBee in AT mode. Now I have two windows. One is my route coordinator window, another is a router window. Both are configured in AT mode. Now what I am going to do is, I have to match my PAN ID of coordinator with the PAN ID of router as I have said in our document. See here, give the PAN ID of your coordinator, example 10, and give the same PAN ID for your router. So see here, what I am going to do is, I am going to configure this to the same ID, which is 10. Yeah, now I have configured the same network and I am going to give the destination address to the device which I have to communicate. Let us consider that I am going to communicate only with the coordinator. Then I have to give the serial number high and serial number low of the coordinator to the device which I want to communicate. See, now I am giving it as the serial number of coordinator is 138200. Same I am giving it here, 138200. In the destination address flow, what I am going to give is the destination address flow of this device. So now I am going to give it as 40 E6 24 C3. Sorry, C3. Yeah, now it's done. Now what I have to do is, I have to write whatever the change I have made, it will be replicated only if you give the right option which is available here. So now what I can do is, I can give I can send a data through the AT mode from here to this device. Now I will give hi fellas. Yeah, now you can see this device is getting communicated with this device, and what I have written it here, it will be replicated here. So this is about the simple communication. And now I will give the short intro about to the next software, which is X-CTU. Let us discuss in a brief about how to configure another one software, which is XCTU. This is similar to the X-CTU but has a small user interface, small difference in user interface. Workbench load. Yeah, this is how the interface of XCTU looks like. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to, this is an error where, as I am not connected to internet, the checking for radio library updates has been failed. This is a simple error, you neglect it. So what I am going to do is, I am going to search the hardwares which are connected to my computer. See here, these are the COM ports available. As you know previously, my modems are connected to COM port 5 and COM port 6. Yeah, I have selected all those and I have selected these and I am giving next. And these are the default settings, so don't consider this one and give just finish. So once the devices are identified, those will be displayed here. It will take some time, but you will get the devices. Yeah, now I have to give is add selected devices. Finally, here also you are getting it as ZigBee coordinator AT and ZigBee router AT. Now what you can do is, as you did in the X-CTU, you can go to settings and you can click on the corresponding router to read all the details. The only difference is you have a little bit change in the user interface, and you can write a single option at a time. No need to write all the things. Next the thing is, you can go for the terminal mode. In the terminal mode, what you have to do is, for communication, you have to open the ports first. You can give open, and you give open here also. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to communicate from this device to this device. So what I have to do is detach it. Once I detach it, QURESOLVER. Wow, it's done. So this is how the communication goes. So finally we have configured a simple ZigBee, and we have programmed it, and we have made the data. I have uploaded my codes in the GitHub. You can go to that link and you can find the related documents, and it will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video. Good luck.